Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Keysight instruments. For this instance, this is FieldFox, directly from a PC via Ethernet cable, and this is a direct connections. What we call direct connections from PC to instruments. So first of all, this what I would normally do. I'll go through this setup on my PC first, make sure it's static. So my PC become the host, and the instrument become the client. So double click on that port, the Ethernet, and just go to properties. Right, so the property pop up here. Select IP4 property and use this. So once you change this become a static IP address. Means that you define the IP address as you like. So it could be any number, and best is to talk to your IT support on is there any concern that they have before you put in the address. So because this is direct connections, is not using the network, so it shouldn't cause any problem, but best to check with your IT folks. So once you've done that, you can just ignore the rest and just proceed on with OK. Yep, just ignore it for now. So that's done on the PC side. Then we do it on our instrument side. So for this instance, this is a FieldFox. So we just go to system config and go to LAN. So currently, as you can see, it's in DHCP. Means that it depends on the router or switch to assign the IP address or even a host from your PC. So without going through that too complicated, we go through this, the direct connections, we change that to static. So just click on edit and click static one more time. So as you can see, it changed to static. Oops, done edit. So once you've done that, this is where you change the IP address, okay, to the number that you want. For this instance, these are the two most important informations: static IP address and static subnet mask. So I changed that to 192.168.100.23, and my subnet mask is the same as my PC. Okay, once I've done that, I just go to apply setting, edit. So instead of powering up, I can just force it to update. So as you can see right now, done edit. So my IP address is 192.168.100.23. So let's go back to the PC. Okay, in the command prompt, let's ping 192.168.100.23. Oops, sorry, I'm missing the 100.23. So as you can see, that's the connections, and if you're happy with that, you can do wonders after that. So for this instance, I'll call back the remote display for FieldFox, and just go to File, Connect, and just type 192. Oops, 192.2. Yep, 168.123. Yep. So just click OK. Oops. All right, there we go. Okay, there's something wrong here. Attempting to authenticate. Okay, let's test again. Yep, so we know, yeah, there we go. So it's just connections established, then we can control from here. So anything you need to do with the FieldFox remotely, you can control exactly like what you do on the physical button. All right, thanks for watching.